Okay. Oh shit. Oh man.
Great reaction.
Oh my god. Jeez and peace.
You haven't expected that.
What? What the heck you did here, boy? Ah man, this was that little ugly house?
It was.
Oh my gosh, man. Wow, you got your collar ties.
Uh-huh.
Okay, there. I always tell
Over here.
wow, man, this is nice. It's a completely different house.
Oh yeah.
Man, this stuff here, when I see stuff like this, I mean, it really makes me happy. Because somebody is thinking to the
Appreciate
process.
it.
Yeah, thinking to the process. Because a lot of times, these, I don't want to, but these Mexicans, man, they just throw shit all over the place, man.
Well, they don't have responsibility. I'll put decking Monday.
Hmm?
I will put decking and columns Monday. So Monday it will be ready to walk around. But I mean, as of right now, you see the floor system.
Really different yard than what we
Mm-hmm.
That's what those guys.
Well, I mean, your guys did that really good job. Yeah, they did like really good job.
So you ain't seen no cracks in the walls, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now you got good footing to your signature. I don't see anything that stands out. Everything looks good to me.
That's cool.
Everything looks good.
I do appreciate that.
You got
So-
blocking.
Yeah.
You got more than you really need.
Mm-hmm. His sister.
Yes, sir. I think you're good here, man. You know what to do with the.
Yeah. I will send you the pictures.
Yes, sir.
Probably I'll do them next week before Wednesday.
Okay.